Namaskar. Today I am going to represent actually whole button. The Husori actually I am going to tell you. In this Husori is first of all I am going to tell regarding the Janak Nandini Sita ji, adopted daughter of Janak. Actually Janak got Sita from the ocean and is the adopted daughter of Janak. And about the desire of Janak Nandini, that is daughter of Janak, Sitaji, I am going to tell you. But she is not the Lakshmi now, she is the human being, so she has got desire. So what I am going to tell you, please, that is, I will sing melodiously. Hita tumak nubulilu bhal hita tumak nubulilu bhal হুবনৰ সিংহাসনে তোমাক নুজুৰিলে ও আকৌ লাগে মায়াৰ মৃগৰ চাল সীতা তোমাক নুবুলিলো ভাল মানে এক গীতা তোমাক নুবুলিলো ভাল গীতা তোমাক নুবুলিলো ভাল. First of all, I am going to meaning of this Husori Git in English, then I will sing this song. Husori Git. এক গীতা তোমাক নুবুলিলো ভাল গীতা তোমাক নুবুলিলো ভাল. Hey Lakshmi Ma, hey Lakshmi Ma, I am not telling you that you are good because you have a desire, because you are always sitting in the throne with your husband Lord Rama, but still you have desire, you want the golden skin of the golden deer, so that is not good. And in this case, I am going to add one word from Kirtan. That what is the meaning of this Kirtan? Actually, Hari Namor Okhe Boikuntha Prakakhe Preme Omit Oranoti. Actually, that is why I am going to tell you, Sita ji, so to delete your desirement. Actually, you have to take the Harinam, you have to take the Allah Nam, you have to take the Jesus name. So then you can be able to desire, or you can be able to delete your desire. Actually, so that is why we should take the Harinam in the Kirtan. I am going to tell you the meaning. Hari Namor Okhe Boikuntha Prakakhe. Actually, this Harinam, actually, Supreme Power name, actually, always you heard in Boikuntha in Trilok. Boikuntha Prakakhe always expressed in Trilok. And Preme Omitara Noti. And that Harinam from Boikuntha in the form of river of love, of actually nectar, and always flowing, just like a river of love of nectar. Srimanta Shankar paro bhangi dile bohe parmandata bhedi. Our main Guru Srimanta Shankardev, the great saint, one of the greatest saints of the world, actually, he actually broke the bank of this river of love of nectar. And ultimately, he carried the message of the melody of the Harinam to our universe. Srimanta Shankara Parabang, the Bohem of Brahmanda, actually to our universe. Carried. So that message is nothing but the Harinam, Supreme Power Nam, Allah Nam, Jesus Nam. So you will have to take this Nam. in this world. So that nam Sariu Bedor or Rike Harutoro, Janiba or Beta. Sariu Bed, actually, you know, actually, Sariu Bed means Rig Bed, Zodur Bed, Ortho Bed, Hum Bed. The main substance of these four Bedo, Rig Bed, Zodur Bed, Ortho Bed, Hum Bed, is the Nam. Nam means, finally, they are telling these three great religious books telling that you have to take every day Supreme Power name with your mouth and do good works holistically without any expectation. So, Sariu Bedor Ikhe Haruto Janiba or Botha. So, this is the main aim that should be aim of any person. Now, that name, you know, Devoro Moidhata Doibaki Nandan, Dharmor Moidhak Nam. Actually, among the god and goddesses, actually Supreme Power, he is the top. Devoro Moidhata Doibaki Nandan. Doibaki Nandan means actually son of the Doibu. And he is nothing but the real, actually, he is the Supreme Power, Lord Krishna. And Dharma Moidhatna. We have different religions, Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, and also this is the Jain, different religions. All these religions' main principles and substance is a Nam. That is, you take the Nam with heart and soul, you take the name of the Supreme Power in the form of song, melodiously, but do works. When you sing the songs, then you get the strength. Do exercise, then you do work. But don't expect the result. So, actually, Devara Moidhat, Doibakinanda, Dharma Moidhat Nam. These are the different types of religion. And all religions are saying these principles. And Jania Saran, Sintiu Saran, Mukhat Neriba Nam. So, in this world, as you are living, you must know the food of the Supreme Power. Always you think the Supreme Power with heart and soul in your heart, and sing the Supreme Power songs melodiously, because you do not know when death will come. Jania Saran, Sintiu Saran, Mukhat Neribana. Koi to keti khone morore miloi take bilaram. Orthat, when death will come, you do not know. So that is why, day and night, you go with your good works and take the Harinam, the Allah Nam, Supreme Power Nam. So this is the main, actually, principles. Today is the Husari. Now listen, I will try to actually satisfy all of your here world people, and anything wrong, excuse me for it. Hita, tumak no bolilu bhal hita, tumak no bolilu bhal. Hey, ubor nor chinga khone, tumak no jurile, ako lage mayar migor sal hita. Tumak no bolilu bhal hita, tumak no bolilu bhal. Ay! today I am finishing this Husori Gate, and next program also I will sing a Bihu Git in front of you. Today with this Harinam, Supreme Power Nam, Allah Nam, Zikhu Nam, actually I am sending the message to all global people. Hey global people, you busy yourself with good works, Harinam, and actually selected diet, selective diet should be very selective, and no too much meat, red meat, and take care of your health, and do exercise, and do physical labor, and mental labor also equally, and holistic, with a holistic mind, which I am maintaining now. Thank you very much. If anything wrong, excuse me for that.